who have to be serious are the people and the representative जे आमकां निवडून दिल्या, whether it is पंचायत मेंबर, सरपंच. तुम्ही आता इतलेंच सांगा म्हाका, ओल्ड गोवा पंचायत आपलो गार्बेज खंय उडयता व्हरून? आहा तेंचे कडेन ट्रिटमेंट आहा करता ना, ते व्हरता डंप करता. एवरी विलेज रिक्वायर्स इन अ सिमिलर वे. So land which is acquired in Baingini is for that purpose, and High Court has given us direction to complete this work within 2 years. So आता हे लोकांक जर तर तो प्लांट नाका जाल्यार तेणी हायकोर्टान वचपाचें आनी हायकोर्टान आमकां डायरेक्शन दिवपाचें. करिनाका म्हणून आमी करिना.
तुमचो आमदारूच
So,
हितून
कित्याक लागून जाय ना, आमदार हॅज टू स्टँड बाय द पीपल. आमदार फ्रॉम इनसायड वॉन्ट्स द प्लांट टू बी डन.
भायल्यान लोकांच्या
No, from heart. Why he wants? Because he knows the problem is become very severe. थिंगा इतल्यो बिल्डिंगी कश्यो येयल्यो, गार्बेज खंय वचप ते. आतां जे लोक येयल्ले ओपोज करपाक ते प्लांटाचे सायडीक तेणी जी कोणे बिल्डरान बिल्डींग बांदली आनी थिंगाचे लोक रावता ते बिल्डिंगीनी. दे आर एप्रिहेन्शन इज दॅट इट वील स्मेल. आय एम टेलिंग यू इट वील नॉट स्मेल. Because our tipping floor will be on the other side. It will be 200 meters away from their building. So they have to only understand one thing, that everybody opposes a garbage plant. If they oppose today, so where will the garbage of all these 5 constituencies go? Is first question. Our plant cannot take all this garbage. Because that is why we had stopped Penjim, we had stopped Taligaon, Merse, Santa Cruz, San Andre. हे सगळे आमी बंद केल्ले. इवन ओल्ड गोवाची गार्बेज आमकां येताली बंद केल्ली आमी. कशी घेतले आमी? आमचे कडेन थिंगा कॅपेसिटी ना ती ट्रीट करपाक. सो पीपल हॅव टू ओपन अप देयर मायंड नाव बॅक अगेन की हो प्लांट जो तर येयना जाल्यार वी आर गोईंग फॉर अ डेड एंड. जेन्ना पंचायतीक अंडर पंचायत राज एक्ट, पंचायत हॅज गॉट द पावर्स टू गिव लायसन्सीस फॉर अ हाऊस or a building or flats or a hotel. They are duty bound to see that the garbage is collected, segregated and treated. So they are collecting garbage, but they are dumping garbage. We are bringing solution to that, which will treat garbage, and electricity is the final product. We will generate power. So it's a solution to their wet waste, and dry waste will be bailed out, will be taken to a incinerator which we are identifying, where we will put 2 or 3 incinerators. So it will be burnt and again electricity power will be produced. So why people are not understanding that we are building a factory which will cater to the needs of their own surroundings, which will remain clean.
इन्सिनेटर खंय आसतलो सर? म्हणजे आयडेंटिफाय केला एरिया?
No, we are still identifying. I'm just telling you that right now we are spending 22,000 to send it to Karnataka. So why can't we do it over here, which we will generate electricity?